Oh, that's it. I knew you would come round with the camera. What are you doing? Bodging.
Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of The Focus. Today we're at Brands Hatch at 4 Power Live and we are finally taking this car on track. We set this crazy target 6 months ago to build this car for this event and we've made it. As I say, I can't thank everyone enough who was involved. You all know who you are. I put a big post on Facebook. I'm not going to reel it out now because it'll get pretty boring, but thank you everyone so much for helping us out to get this ready for today. So, usual stuff. We've got scrutineering and briefing and all that to come. But I'll keep you up to date with everything we're getting up to. Get some cameras in the cars and let's see how it goes. Obviously we haven't done any testing whatsoever, so quali is going to be a quali/test, see how we get on. Hopefully everything will go fine and then we get out in some racing so we get to do. But to say we're here, we're going to have some fun, we're going to send it and see what happens. We're not looking for any results or anything amazing because we need to learn the car and learn what it does. The rain's supposed to come in later on, so we'll see what happens. So yeah. Right, let's get to it.
How are we doing then, everybody? We have been called up to assembly. I'm just here now. See if I can find our car. I think it's safe to say, as we already know, the Modified Fords group is fantastic. There's a handsome man if ever I've seen one. So yeah, let's make sure Mr. Steppy's ready. Hello fella, you alright in there? Ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Good lad, let's do this. There's some serious machinery here, isn't there? Send it, baby, send it! Right, let's do this, boy. Let's go, Steph. Let's have it. Ready, Jay? Yes. Yeah, let's go.
I just want to apologise that for qualifying I didn't have the GoPro mount tight enough and the camera actually spins upside down after this lap. As you've just seen, obviously I'm taking it nice and cautious for the first lap. Nothing silly, getting used to the car. Obviously we're using qualifiers testing. Obviously Mr. Cook helped me up there with settling the nerves with like 6 days left.
Right then, debrief, boy.
Jesus.
There we go. You know how we like to shove a camera in people's faces straight from quali? How was that?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
Yeah. There was a lot to learn. So I just went out to have some fun really and try and get used to the car and used to what. Well, I've never driven on slicks and all the rest of it, so I went out just lap by lap, took it careful. good fun. Tyres come in, it's starting to feel grippy, and yeah, we'll just keep pushing on from there. Cool. So I don't think we're going to change too much between now and the race, because there's still a lot to learn. I say each lap I was learning and progressing and learning what the car does. So yeah, I don't want to go too mad and do anything to try and. I don't think we've learned enough yet to start messing about with it too much. So unfortunately, I was rubbing the passenger side front arch on the tyre, so we've trashed the tyre.
Should we have a look at that?
Bent the arch round. Should
we have a look at that? Oh no! Absolutely killed that, actually, haven't you? You can see the cords. That's look at the shiny wheels.
Very dirty.
Oh, you did well out there. What did you get down to? What, 57? I think it was.
Yeah, I think so.
57-second lap. So
there's still a lot more in it. There's a lot more to learn, and I was trying not, as I was testing and qualifying at the same time, I was trying not to get in anyone's way really, because it's not fair on them that I'm the one that's not properly qualifying to ruin any of their laps. So, but yeah, no, we learned a lot, and we got on in the race.
So Jay, what is it you're putting under the car right now? What are you putting under the car?
Axle stands.
Axle stands. There we go, everybody. So for our eagle-eyed viewers that have watched videos before, they saw Jay at Castle Combe under the Vectra. He was living dangerously without his axle stands. But now look, he's taking your advice. And he's using axle stands. Oh look, Steph's got fans.
What are we going to do with this though? Bend it in?
Yeah,
so it's
bend
a rounder
rather
crack at the paint though.
Oh, well, that they're coming off soon anyway.
So what's the verdict, boys? What's the verdict, boys? What we got?
Well, it's been rubbing there, and it's peeled the inner arch down and then turned it into a slicing device.
A slicing device?
Yeah, and then sliced up the tyre, so we need to kind of bend it back round really.
Chop all that out.
And then trim this back so it doesn't rub on the tyre. But it's just through paddock, there's so much compression through paddock, it's obviously pushing the tyre right up in there. So
I'll tell you something, I know people watching can't feel that, but the heat coming off that is just ridiculous.
Very warm.
Oh, that's it. I knew you would come round with the camera. What are you doing? Bodging.
You're whatting?
Bodging.
You're not bodging, you're fixing. Rain. Ooh. So we're all on our weather apps.
The rain.
So the Focus Cup's out right now. We'll be getting called up any minute to get to assembly. Well, I suppose once they go out and track that we're getting called to assembly. Steph's just pressuring up the fronts. So we're going to run the ad bands, yeah? If they're slicks.
If it's slick, we've trashed that one.
Well, we've killed that one. That one's no good. So he's just going to pressure up the front ones. It's going to be a last minute call, but it is. Yeah. I don't know if I'm just thinking it, but I feel like there's spits now. What we got?
Cloud, rain. Cloud,
rain.
rain.
Right when we're racing. What do you reckon? Slicks or wet?
Wet.
Wet's always wet. Rain.
Let's see what happens.
It looks like we're probably going to be called up a little bit earlier than the planned time to start the race. Obviously there's a bit of dilemma on the weather. The rain's now supposed to come in at 1. We could be out just before that. So we need to decide before we go out what we're going to run. Obviously we've sat in the assembly area for 15-20 minutes, so it could end up raining there, and then we're committed at that point. But so at the moment it's dry, so we're going to have to stick the slicks on. Looks like everyone else is staying with the slick, so send it and see what happens, I suppose. But yeah, so we're just going to race 1, get the cameras in, hopefully they'll stay the right way up this time. Right, so let's head out, race 1.
Right, ready, boy?
Why did you put it so like there?
Because everyone loves your face!
It's too close.
Are you ready?
Will be when we get out there.
Yeah, alright, let's go. We've been called up, let's go. Right, here we go then, everyone. Race 1 time. The Focus Cup, we've just got the checkered flag. Everyone's lining up in their respective grid slots. And here we have our very own Stefan Marsh. So he's going to be tussling with these boys. So this should be fun. How we doing, Steph? All good? So Steph qualified 20th, which I think is bloody good considering it's the first time he's ever been in the car. 9th in class. And yeah, car felt good. As you saw in the video previous, we made a few little tweaks. We decided to go with slicks. You boys gone with slicks? Oh, you're running treaded, that's all good. Yeah, so we decided to go with slicks in the end. It's threatening, but I don't think it's going to come for this race. So yeah, I'm going to sign off, make sure he's completely happy. We'll get the race start and stuff when it's underway. Here we go then, ladies and gentlemen, joined by a special guest here. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Here they come. Rolling start, everybody. Okay, so a little update. We are currently 5 minutes left of the race. Steph is currently 14th and 4th in class. So bearing in mind he started 20th and 9th in class, I'd say this is a bloody good drive.
He's doing really well.
He's doing really well. He's down to, he's done a 57.389 as well, lap time. So we put different slicks on. I'm assuming they've come up to pressure and he's absolutely sending it. So here he comes now. There he goes. I have to say, like out of all the leaders in, the leaders in. Oh,
Rolling in.
That might put him up the clock. Ooh. Oh, he's 5th in class. He's now up to 5th in class because James Allen's just finally got past him. Oh. There's a lot of heat coming out of that car. That's a big worm over there.
That's scary.
That is not fun. That thing was, well, it kind of is a rocket ship now. Too soon?
Slightly.
Steph takes the checkered flag! And his first race for his Focus ST. Good lad. What was the overall? Did he finish in the end?
5th in class, 14th.
5th in class, 14th overall. Good lad, Steph. Good lad.
We're here after race 1. Luckily it stayed dry. We're on the grid walk now. Car's parked up. Nothing to see here. But yes, no, it was dry for the race, and then as soon as we parked here, it started chucking it down. So made the right choice on the tyres. Where did we finish? 5th in class, 14th overall.
14th overall, 5th in class.
Yeah, 14th overall, 5th in class. So pretty good. Pretty happy with that. So I wasn't particularly bothered with it. We just wanted to go round and round, learn some stuff, and see how it went. And yeah, it went pretty well. So we're on those Yokohama tyres at the front now, so it's a bit different than out in the Goodyears. But yeah, no, it went well. We had a little battle with the Fiesta, which was fun, and then we kind of just was in our own little pack for a bit. There is more pace in the car. I'm still learning it, still getting confident with it, and yeah, and we'll progress from there. So I'm going to assume it's going to be wets for race 2. Again, another learning curve, so we'll have to slap them on and see how we get on. But first of all, Jay's got something to do.
It's like Skittles, like rainbow.
Yeah, well, I'm guessing that oil-filled housing is just weeping again and is dribbling out. So
Volvo need to up your game.
yeah, it's a bit crap, but we'll get that replaced at some point. But we'll clean it up and go from there.
Right, it's assessment time. So what was it, 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yep.
Still quite wet out. We're going to go look at the track and see what kind of condition it's in. Don't know, are we due any more rain? Who knows?
Are we not?
So we think it might be clear of rain. If that's the case, then obviously we need to check that it's slick or wet time. We managed to, I think we did the 15-minute race, and then 2 minutes after the race finished, the absolute heavens opened. So yeah, we don't want to get caught out by the rain this time. Little show pony! Right there, Steph. Make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah. Come on, you're a bit of a tart. You like a good clean wheel.
I do. I really want to go all the way in, but it's quite a commitment for the poor little cloth.
It's quite a commitment for
Yeah,
the poor little cloth.
Because it's just going to smear, isn't it?
It is. Meanwhile, I'll just hold the camera because that's just as important as cleaning.
That's it, Nick. You do your job.
I'll do my job and I'll just hold the camera. Ready for race 2?
Yes.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, there's a dry line, still a bit damp offline, but
yeah, I've had a few people, there's been a few murmurs that it's a damp in places, so
send it and see, eh?
you're gonna what?
Send it.
Send it and see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll be fine, mate. Right, the suspense is killing us. The prototype clubmans are all in.
Right.
And yeah, everybody's eager, ready to go. Steph's ready to go, there he is, ready for race 2. What are we going with? Staying 14th? Staying 5th in class? Or are we going to go...
Just going out to have fun.
Going out to have fun.
Yeah.
No competitiveness whatsoever. No?
No.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We know what you're like behind the wheel.
Here we go, guys, race 2. Yeah, a bit further up the grid this time. There's some quick cars obviously broke down. They've got back up behind us. We need to keep an eye out for them. There we go, same again. Try and get some warmth in the tyres, but it's pretty hard around here in one lap. Then we've got to start rolling the formation down the back straight, so yeah, it's pretty hard. So we just have to take it easy for a couple of laps, get some heat in there. Gone slicks, it's damp on track. Here's the dry line. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. it says it's been red flagged. I'm guessing it's for James Allen, who's parked up at Druids. I can't see the offside, so I'm not sure if it's got damage or whatever, or he's just had a mechanical issue, but I'm assuming that's what this is for. Alright, well we didn't have a good start the first time, so let's try and
Okay, little update. So Steph is currently 15th overall and 3rd in class. We've still got 6 minutes, 42 seconds left to go. Come on, Steffi. Podium it, boy. Podium it. Come on. So that there is the checkered flag, and Steph is currently still third in class. They're second in class. And here he comes. Go on, Steph! Yeah! 3rd in class, baby!
Oh.
Yeah, you did! 3rd in class A! Yes,
Some
boy!
people broke down then.
Maybe. It's not about that. This didn't break down.
No, very true.
And you didn't crash.
Two tyre pressures quick, Jane, and we'll... how was it?
Yeah, it's good. Hot.
Hot?
Very hot.
Oh, we haven't brought a drink. Ah, you're gonna die. So it's time for presentations over there. We're missing the best part of Ford Power Live, which is all the pop bang maps going around Brands Hatch, and they're shouting at them. Do a pop bang.
This is a good one for a debut. Step class. Yeah, boys, see that trophy? Yes!
Right then guys, we're all loaded up. We've been to the presentation at the end, and we've fortunately, very fortunately, come away with a 3rd place trophy for race 2. Mega happy with that. Yeah, and also in the raffle I won a Snap-on 1/2-inch ratchet, so bonus. But yeah, mega happy with that. Car's been pretty good all day, so not many faults, not many issues, so yeah, absolutely awesome. Been great fun, great laugh. It's been a great series. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to keep up to date with everything we get up to on the Vectra, the Focus, the channel, everything else, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up, write us a comment what you think. But yes, so we got a trophy. So on that note guys, I'll catch you later. Bye!